Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Philly. I'm Ava, and today we'll be making a roasted shrimp cocktail. Let's get started. We're gonna start by preheating our oven to 400 degrees, and we're gonna need our 1 pound bag of the Philly wild shrimp, peeled and deveined. What's great about this bag is that it has a tail on, so it looks great for cocktails. Next, we're gonna need some olive oil, some ketchup, some horseradish, some Worcestershire sauce, a lemon, salt and pepper, and your favorite hot sauce. So to start off, we want to go ahead and rinse our shrimp. Now that the shrimp's all washed, we're going to go ahead and pour it onto our pan with foil on it. And we're just going to go ahead and pat it dry to make sure there's no excess water. Get as much of the fluid off as you can. So we're going to start by putting our oil on our shrimp. And we're going to do salt and pepper to taste. And we're just gonna go ahead and mix it all around. So we wanna make sure that everything is evenly coated, and then we're just gonna spread them out, make sure that none of them are on top of each other so they can cook evenly. Okay, now that your shrimp's prepared, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. A good way to know that they're ready is that they're pink and firm. So for the cocktail sauce, we're gonna go ahead and start off with our ketchup. Then we're gonna go to our horseradish, then our Worcestershire sauce. And next we're gonna squeeze in half of a lemon. And then you're gonna do salt and pepper to taste, just depending on how you like it. And next we're gonna use your favorite hot sauce. Do it to taste. I'm not sure how spicy y'all like it, so me and my family like it pretty spicy. So we're gonna do a couple of drops in there. Okay, now that the shrimp's ready, look how good that looks. It's pink and firm. We're gonna go ahead and just take it out, put it on here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the sauce in your sauce container. This is great for hosting for appetizers or any parties that you have. This serves for probably about 4 to 5 people, just depending, but the more the better. So now we're just gonna add our shrimp to the edge of our glass. This is all for presentation. You don't have to do this, but it sure does look delicious. All right, now we're gonna try it with our cocktail sauce. Literally so good. Make sure to try this fun and delicious recipe. It's great for any party. For more recipes like this, go to phillyseafood.com, and remember to always keep it wild. Bye, y'all.